out with her.
Leave that place. We're gonna go crash a party.
Tell her we're gonna make out.
Becca, you're on video.
What's this?
POV, Becca on video.
Lana, seriously, you want us to pick you up?
Lana,
Let's go!
jump in my lap.
Let's do this!
You want us to pick you up?
Emily,
Where are you?
Emily, you're on video. Confessional.
Lana, leave there.
Lana, come on.
What's
We'll
up?
pick you up.
Is she at McCurry's? Walk outside.
Turning on light right now. Get outside. Walk outside right now.
Steve, stop paying attention to the road and start paying attention to the video camera.
Supposed to be driving, all right?
Okay.
Let's talk to these people.
Yeah.
Hey! Richard! Debbie! Richard!
Talk to him.
Where's the good place to go tonight? Where should we go? What's the deal?
Federal Hill.
Federal Hills is the spot? Yes. We're not from here. What's it called?
Hey, can you hear me?
Federal, just like Federal.
Emily,
No, we got a
We're at
plane
the red light
going
by
down.
CBS.
happy birthday.
Just turned
What?
green.
Hey, baby.
Steve, happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
It's not my
No,
birthday.
we're gonna go crash a party.
Please come behind me.
Get in here right now. Tell her jump in my lap right now.
Like the kids from one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, 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 off with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? The radio
And the reindeer loved it. I wish I loved with me. Yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. You'll go down in story. You'll go down in history.
101.9 Light FM, Baltimore's Christmas music station.